What's up, my shoe family, my shoe team, shoe fanatics? My name is Gerardo, here with Shoe MGK, and here today we're here to show you the all-star kit on how to use it and what it works on. What comes inside is an 8-ounce cleaner and conditioner, a white touch-up, and a nylon brush. Very soft, so it won't ruin your materials. Today here we have a pair of Alexander McQueen's that we're gonna clean up with a lot of stains and a lot of scuffs. All white shoe, all white leather, Paris leather to make it better. So if you put anything that does not work, it will show right away. So what we're gonna do today is grab our lovely brush, dip it in some warm water, take off the excess, and put a couple drops of this cleaner and conditioner. This stuff is amazing. I'm gonna explain to you guys right now. Take off that water, add a couple drops, and start from the bottom or the sole of any shoe, any sneaker. Then when you see it foam up, you know it's working. It's gonna set up to absorb all the stains, all the scuffs, all that gunk off your shoes, sneakers, even sandals. Just know that this stuff, guys, it works on leather, suede, nubuck, cloth, rubber, canvas, vinyl, and nylon. So pretty much any material, any color, any shoe. Then when you're done, putting some elbow grease, put the brush down, grab a rag, towel, a t-shirt, and wipe it down. And as you guys can see, almost instantly, it's gonna take off any garbage off your shoes, any dirt, any stains, any scuffs. It's gonna condition it with natural enzymes. That way your shoes do not change color, change textures, and stay the same or even better when you first got them. Now, step number 2, we're gonna use our lovely white touch-up. What you wanna do is shake it up before you use it, pop the lid, and you're gonna use this white touch-up on any white surface. So if it's any kind of white sole, like Vans, Nikes, any typical Adidas, even your designer shoes, the white leather, the white stitchings, and even white rubber. So what this is for is to take away any creases, any white stitchings turning black, any white stitchings fading away. This makes it factory white, not eggshell white, so that way your shoes look brand new out the box. So just apply this everywhere, wipe it down with a rag, a towel, or a t-shirt, and it's gonna look as white as your pair of teeth. Just like this. And there you have it, guys. That's exactly how you use the All-Star Kit. Hopefully you guys love watching. Stay tuned. My name is Gerardo. Peace.